How to fix Windows Security Center is turned off error on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix Windows Security Center is turned off error on Windows 10. 1. Ensure each security component has been enabled. 2. Check if you are using some third-party antivirus. If so, try removing such an item using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, on Windows Safe Mode. 3. Start Security Center service. And if you receive an error message that resembles the following message when you click Start, go to Step 6 to reconfigure the logon user for the service. Windows could not start the Security Center service on local computer. Error 1079, the account specified for the service differs from the account specified for other services running in the same process. In the Security Center Properties dialog box, tap or click the Logon tab, and then tap or click Browse. In the Enter the Object Name to Select box, type your computer name. Tap or click Check Names, and then tap or click OK when the name is authenticated. In the Password box, type the administrator password. In the Confirm Password box, retype the administrator password. Tap or click Apply, and then tap or click OK. Close the Services window. Furthermore, if you find that Security Center is still not started and running as expected after you reconfigure and start Security Center and then restart your computer could be infected by malware. Then you try detecting then clearing potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 4. Try to repair the WMI repository by running the following commands as admin. winm/verify repository winm/salvage repository 5. Run system file checker, sfc/scanno command, as admin.